Hi, welcome to Sonny's, the car wash factory. I'm Bob Fox with Car Wash College. Today I want to review how to adjust the tracking on our OMNI Blasters. Before we start, make sure to get a copy of the owner's manual, which you can download at sonnysdirect.com. Review all the safety information related to this procedure. Next, gather the tools and supplies you'll need, which are safety goggles and a 1/16 Allen wrench. Now, let's get started. All right, we're going to talk about how to adjust the tracking speed of your OMNI. Anytime you make an adjustment to your conveyor speed, you're also going to have to make an adjustment here in order to ensure clean wheels. So I'm going to have Vic flip the Mac valve for me and see what kind of speed this is currently tracking at. As you can see, it's going pretty slowly. As we increase chain speed, we're going to want to increase the amount of air going to this so we can make it go faster. There we go, a little bit faster. The flip, we're always going to leave this valve wide open because we want the return to be much faster than the actual tracking because we want to get back for the next car. And if we're moving at a high chain speed, that's going to be required. So let's hit it again, Vic. So the further we open the brass flow control valve, the faster we're going to go. I think we'll probably be good right about there. So what we're going to do then is we have a color code on these brass flow control valves. This is currently on blue. So I'm going to lock this in with my Allen key right here. I'm just going to snug it up a little bit in case we're going to adjust chain speed again in the future. We don't want that to be locked down permanently. I'm just going to go to the other side because the air is split evenly between the two sides. I'm going to dial in the same color code over there as I have over here. And there you have it. When you're looking to adjust the speed of your OMNI, it's all done with the brass flow control valve. Keeping up with this and all preventative maintenance at the car wash helps eliminate unscheduled downtime and ensures you're delivering a consistent wash experience that'll make raving fans of your customers. Thanks for watching. For more frequently asked car wash maintenance questions, visit us at sonnysdirect.com/FAQ. I hope to see you in the Car Wash College classroom real soon. And as always, good luck and good washing.